Hello, everyone! Today, we will learn how to express your opinion in English.
Expressing your opinion means telling people what you think.
Alice, what is a simple phrase we can start with?
A great phrase is, in my opinion. Let's say it together. In my opinion, pizza is the best food in the world.
Pizza is delicious, but that is your personal opinion. Another very common phrase is, I think.
Yes! For example, I think learning English is fun.
When you agree with someone, what should you say?
You can simply say, I agree with you.
What if you do not agree with your friend?
Be polite. You can say, I'm not so sure about that.
How do you ask someone else for their opinion?
You can ask, what do you think?
Let's practice together. I think and I believe.
Great job! Repeat them out loud at home.
Tell us in the comments below. What do you think?
Practice using I think in your comment today.
Thank you for watching and practicing with us today.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and see you next time. Goodbye!
Oh, wait.
You like this video? Please like and subscribe this video.